Yo, yo, yo. My bad, my bad. Was having a little issue with Streamlabs. Was having an issue with Streamlabs, yo. Stream being a little cuck. Now I gotta hit up support and be like, yo, what the fuck? Anyway. Anywho. I'm here now. My apologies. My apologies. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Let's see who's out here. Yo, 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 yo. Yeah, I paid for, I got my Streamlabs account in December and paid for a year. I paid for the Ultra membership for a year. And just now I was trying to set up my new stream, like set up today's stream. And it said, like, there was no branding on there, like my branding. It had the Streamlabs branding. I'm like, what? That's weird. So I went to go put my little ZERODAYJay logo in the top right, and it was forcing me to upgrade. Like I didn't already pay for a fucking year in December. So whatever, I paid for a month. I'm gonna make them refund me and make it right. But I don't know. I was kind of annoyed, and it took me like 5 minutes to figure out what the fuck was going on. Bowser, 828, J, no, Debt 5. It's a trap. Slick Rick, the ruler, Big Key, Benny Reimer, Dominic, MG, White Trash Granny, Zarko, Orjan, Mr. Goblin, Tim Morgan, Cesaric, Juan Wick, Father of Legends, Marcos, V33, Travis. Yeah, go ahead and ask away, Orjan. Ask away, bro. Yeah, no, it happens. It happens. That's just part of it. That's just part of it. That just means you're closer to the next payout. You know what I mean? That's all that means. I'm actually in a fucking trade right now, and I'm getting wrecked. I didn't even realize it. Ugh. I forgot I was in this trade. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? TJP in the place to be. David Schneider. Ezekiel. Kenny. Jay Hundo. Adrian. Yash. Investors. Robert. I think I said what up to TJP. What up again? Jordan. Bowser knew I was in long. You know what? I've messed up. Well, let me turn my screen on. Let me turn my screen on. The mistake I made was not getting in at the 786 bounce, which was right here. No, was it here? It was here. We bounced enough for me to get what I was looking for. I'm in this brand new. This was some rebuild that came through, a starter plus, a legacy My Fund the Futures account. I was up like how many points? 13 points. I need 25. Well, I don't need 25. I want 25. Trevor LeConte's here. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. You can do that, Orjan. Just don't do it with funded accounts. They frown upon that, especially with the same instrument. Yeah, I haven't even looked at the orb. I haven't looked at, well, the orb is way down here. I thought we were just going to go, after that dump, I figured that we're just going to, go the other way. But I just wanted another 25 points. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? The VWAP is at 726. I needed 704. 704.50 is what I need. That's what I want. 704.50. That will give me my first. That'll give me my first half of pass to smash, since I can't pass in one day with starter plus accounts. Oh, we double bottoming here? That'd be cool. Veronica, Trader Bob, Bartolo. Just so you know, guys, Ian Connor, Maximus, Ronnie, Trevor LeConte's here, Ronnie. Just ain't right. Mwah! JW. It depends on your trading style, bro. I'll explain why in a second. In terms of dollar for dollar, it's the shortest path to passing an eval. It's also the shortest path to getting a payout. But it really depends on your trading style. You might need that extra $500 of drawdown you get with a 50K. What up, Fallacy? Yo, just wait for another setup, TJP. You'll get more than 17. Allah, what up? Mitch Masuno, what up? Hey, so what if you had to pass it twice? Whatever, bro. No, well, yeah. With Take Profit Trader, by the way, they extended the flash sale. The flash sale where in addition to 40% off and no activation fee, they're going to give you 100% of your initial test fee if you take that account to a payout. They extended that, by the way. It was supposed to end yesterday. But what I was saying was with the 25K, you need 1,500 to pass. You also need to get to 1,500 to get the buffer's 1,500. Anything over the buffer with Take Profit Trader funded accounts is where you get your payouts. That's where payout land is, beyond the buffer. So it's the shortest path. But depending on your trading style, it doesn't mean it's the best account for you. I'm finding that the 50Ks are the best accounts for me. Even though to pass a 50K, you need 3,000 and you need to get to 2,000. You need to get over 2,000 to get, to become eligible for a payout. T said, what up? Alfred, lots of humidity today. Lots of insolence and insurance and humidity. Like 50K for me, I'm finding that so it doesn't mean I'm going to give up on 25Ks, but I'm finding that I'm just better at the 50Ks. I haven't gotten a single payout from a 25K to date before today. I got four. I had four. I started today's trading day with 4 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. 2 of them were 25Ks, 2 of them were 50Ks. Up until this point, before today, I have never gotten a payout with a 25K. I've gotten most of my payouts from 50Ks. I've gotten some from 150s. I've gotten most of them from 50Ks. Damn, bro, this shit just doesn't want to. I don't know. I don't even want this fucking account. I'd rather get an expert account. Yeah, it's not that far. What up, Stock Tiger? Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Hope you're doing well. Cody! Jordan just needs 682.50. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? Stone World. The play was for me, because I want 25 points to get my $1,500 day in, right? The play was playing this 786 bounce right here. We literally bounced. If I draw, I already drew it. I drew a happy Fibonacci from this last low here, this wick. This is a bigger time frame. It's a 4-hour to this high. We literally dumped and bounced off the 786, and we bounced like 40 fucking points. We bounced from 50, 42 points. 42 points. Brandy Allen, Futures Flow, Cyberpie, Hot Shot, Stone World. Kevin Tobias. If the Wright brothers did 9/11, are they now the wrong brothers? LK, P. Shenanigan, Isaac, I'm shutting down the studio. So, yeah. Oh, and I blew my, well, I can't show you. I don't feel like logging in. I blew my funded bulenox account because I fucking suck. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I saw a fucking 786 rejection. Well, I'll tell you what happened. Watch this. You want to see something funny? It's so funny, I forgot to laugh. It's so funny, guys. Watch this. I literally, last night. This is me last night. Right after, I literally said, I was looking at this. This started off as a 20-point rejection off the 786 last night after London opened. And I wanted to get in, but it was already like down here, and I didn't feel like chasing because I was worried it was going to keep going up. I wasn't sure, right? So then we're down 20 points, and I definitely don't want to chase there. Next thing you know, we're down like 100 fucking points. We dumped a fuck ton. And I was up a couple of times here in this bulenox funded account on day 2, and then it just completely fucking shit itself, and I blew the account. Where is it? Right here. And I was right. I was right about the short. I was watching it, but oh well. Oh well. So I don't have any funded bulenox accounts anymore. Again, we'll run bulenox back again. I'm just waiting for them to do a better deal. I have a couple of more evals that are going to come through at 91% off, and I'll wait until they do more so I can buy more. So we were all hanging out, chopping it up in the Discord during the overnight. What's going on? Oh my God, it ain't happening. It ain't happening. They do 80. They did Cody. They do an 83% off. bulenox is 83% off with no, option 1, 25Ks or bigger. That's the deal right now. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJay. Carlos, what up? Nice job, bro. CP Trader, what's good? I mean, am I stock tiger? I got one batch of payouts, but I guess it's better than what I was doing before that. I went from not doing shit with them to getting 4,500. It's hard. 10 days is a long time, man. I just wanted to be able to say I did it. Parminder, what up, man? 15% off my fund the futures resets this week when you put in the best code. Good to know, Kevin Tobias. Thanks for letting me know. Coach HID, what up? How is it possible to hedge on TradeEvade? What do you mean? Across multiple accounts or in the same account? If you want to do it with NQ, you do it with minis and micros. That's a one way to hedge. If you want to hedge, like NQ and ES are the same, basically. They move together. You could do NQ and ES, but you could do minis and micros if you really feel like you want to hedge. Most people who like to hedge, they do it with separate accounts. If you're going to hedge, like especially with evals, to pass a bunch of evals. Same account, same instrument. I don't know how to do that. In the same exact instrument, I have no idea. I don't even know why you would want to do that. You want to be able to be in a longer term position and then scalp shorter term with the same instrument? Is that what you're trying to do? Just do it with micros. Jay Jackson. I don't know why you would want to though, bro. You know what I mean? I would never do that with a funded account. I'll tell you that. Bobby Lashley. You're requesting your first ever Apex payout tomorrow. If you're way over, sure. If you want to get some days in, why not? I think the next time through, you need more than $50 days, though. If you're way over, like how far over are you? And congratulations. Pound that confetti like roast beef. Parminder, it's just part of the process. You know that. Just gotta, dust yourself off and keep it moving. Chuck Boris. Yeah, I think I'm in trouble with this. It just doesn't want to go up. You would think that China news is good. Although I just think the market has tariff fatigue at this point. That's what I'm thinking. Feels that way, at least. Yeah, this is fucked. I'm fucked. Let's go long anyway. 68, 53, 69. Give me 69. 69, baby, my favorite number. Give me my favorite number. Oh, is this a double bottom now? That'd be amazing. Retesting the 786. That would be fantastic. Right here again. Let me go to the 5-minute. You know what's crazy? This is my first time trading the NQ all day. And look what's happening. As soon as I start fucking with the NQ, I get fucked with. Actually, no. The bulenox account, I was trading NQ. The one I showed you that I blew, the funded account, I was trading NQ. Look what I did in trade day last night. Trading gold. I got my third day in out of 7 on the eval. I guess this Apex account is cooked. Is it? I'm in fucking micros. Are you serious? Jesus fucking Christ, man. Now I gotta. That should be enough. If it gets up there, that should be enough to cover me. I don't even know. Is that what we're doing here? I think it just wants to dump. So I'm probably going to, I don't know what's going to happen with this one. I got to log in. I wanted to grab more evals from Apex, but because I'm playing the, last week, all I did was get last week, all I did with Apex was pass new evals and blow new funded accounts. This shit's cooked. Guess we'll have to do it again. Oh, this is the My Fund the Futures account. I just got this. I just got this. I needed 25 points to the upside. Whatever. I don't even care about that shit. Let me see something here. I gotta, I'm logging into my Apex account. I gotta do 2-factor authentication. So I got my phone on me. Martin, what up? Andy, what's good? One Beyond Limits, what's good? Stop Run, Stephen Cox. Market Extreme, Roberto. Absolutely, Jay Hundo. Chuck Boris Norris. So Bobby Lashley, how far over are you? No, it doesn't work that way, Bobby. I'm pretty sure you got to go bigger than $50 a day. No, you have to trade the accounts. I would hit up support though. Why would they let you just go $50 for 8 more trading days? because you're that high up to get a free payout. That's if you get denied. If you get denied on your first payout request with that account, that's all you would need to do. You got to trade that shit. But I would just confirm with them. Hit up support and ask them. Don't take my word for it. They'll get back to you quick. But if you're that far over, just trade the account. Give yourself set a daily loss limit so you don't get in trouble. Jordan, you went against your rightness. I'm just wrong. I'm just wrong. I thought we would retest this low and then bounce off of it, but it just wants to keep going down. I hate trading the NQ lately. I fucking hate the NQ. Nice job, Honest Take. Nice job. Dragon, what's up? Yeah, people. Yeah, it's funny. People are always going for those $200 days. They forget they only need 150. Cristo, Coach Calvin. Yeah, NQ loves me. Just like Jesus, right? You know what's interesting about that short? I seen it here, like the 786. I just thought it was going to keep going up, but I've been wrong a lot about the NQ lately. Is this account cooked? There it is. Look at that. Awesome job. Another blow. Well, it's just an eval, but at least it's not a funded account. I had, how many points did I have? I had 13 points. I couldn't just get another 12 points. It couldn't come up like this far. Now it's going to bounce. Is this cooked too? That's cooked. Cool. Cool. Awesome. I suck. I suck at trading power hour lately. Now it's going to fucking pump. Fuck me, man. It's always when I'm trading the NQ. Look at this shit. Oh, I got bottom ticked. Awesome. Bottom ticked. Bottom ticked. Literally got taken out the same exact spot. Awesome. Fuck yeah. I love it. I love that shit. Look at that shit go. What was my entry on the fucking 50 on the Apex account? Oh, look. I got in at 54. Love to see it. But you know what? It's interesting. I did this trading gold. Maybe I should just trade gold. It's just certain times of the day you don't want to trade gold. Fucking bullshit. Fucking bullshit. I think I should just quit. I should just give up, guys. What do you think? I should just quit trading. Stop streaming. Go back to my forklift. Mob Barley. Motherfucker. Coach Calvin. Straw Hat Oscar. Full Tilt. Mikey. Yeah, just walk away. CP, what up? Snahil. Oh, I said what up to CP. What up again? Cave Trader. Just walk away. Walk away. Not back to the forklift. You heard that shit? Carmino Co., what up? Just got back for the dentist. That sucks. I bet you enjoyed yourself when you were at the dentist. I love going to the dentist. No, I don't. Bobby Lashley, I don't think you have to make 800 a day. But there is the consistency rule is in play from payout to payout. So I don't know what you got to do. I think it's more than if you get approved for your payout, I think it's more than 50. I'm pretty sure it's more than 50. All right, so I'm so glad I didn't cancel this rebill on this. Instead, I decided to blow the account. So maybe next month I'll pass it. I'm not getting another one. I might reset it. You know what I want to reset? I'd rather trade an expert account. Knowing what the potential is on those. You just got to wait a long time to get paid. A long time. You can only request once every 14 calendar days. But I like it's, much less restrictive. Yeah, this shit just wants to keep going down. Jesus. That would have been enough to pass. All right, so like I said earlier in the stream and in the title, futures flow. Yeah, I got them. I activated them and I traded them. So I activated 225Ks and 250Ks. Funded take profit trader accounts. After I blew that bulenox account, that funded bulenox account, I started trading. Did I start trading? Or I traded my trade day accounts. I don't fucking remember. But I traded the 50Ks first. I put the 50Ks together in a group, and I put the 25Ks together in a group. The 50Ks I took to a payout. Boom! Not huge, but I'm over the buffer. That's all I care about. What's crazy was I got bottom ticked so hard on the 25Ks after being up like $150. Watch this shit. Look, this is what happened. This was the 25Ks. And then gold pumped over 100 ticks. It was like 120 ticks. And I thought about going back in long with the 50Ks, and I would have gotten another couple of thousand, at least $1,000 if I went in with one mini. And I just decided, you know what? Because if I would have gotten, what would have happened if I would have gotten in long? It wouldn't have pumped 100 ticks. It would have just kept going down, and I would have been fucking pissed. So I just left it alone. So I'm going to request 425 times 2. I'll get, after they take their 20%, I'll end up with 680. I'll take that for a day one. I haven't gotten a payout since the first of the fucking month. So I'll take it. And then I'll have the accounts again. And then this one right here, this one's on day 3. This is a new 25K. I'm not giving up on 25Ks, but clearly my approach needs to be different. Something's got to change with how I trade the 25Ks. Because that $1,500 of trailing drawdown fucking disappears fast. I think I gotta just take quick scalps and not try to take a bigger move. And then I got another 50K. I don't want to give up on 25Ks, but I don't want to be heavy. I don't want to have too many 25Ks until I can figure out how to get paid with them. You know what I mean? So I got these two. These are over the buffer. So we'll go for another one tomorrow. I'm requesting a day one payout. We did it, Joe. Another day one payout. How hard can it be? This is a new 50K. That's replacing one of the 25K funded accounts I blew. I'm up halfway. This is the new 25K replacing the other 25K I blew, up halfway. And then this one's already over the target. I just need to get my flip days in. This one I'll have on Thursday. So the goal, right? I still want to have, I want the ultimate goal for me is to have 5 funded accounts over the buffer I'm taking payouts from with Take Profit Trader. And then on top of that, if I could do that, right? If I could have all 5 of these at the same time and then have 3 fucking trade days at the same time, all of them over the buffer, then like you don't even need to make a ton of money. You go for like $200-300 a day times 8 accounts. You know what I'm saying? It's a different fucking ball game when you could compound your payouts like that. So I'm gonna keep trying, but at least we got this. We did this. We're good. This NQ was absolute fucking dog shit, by the way. God damn. Worthy gains. Oh, nice. Nice job. Tallahassee. What, the 5Ks? I mean, with the 25Ks, I don't even think that's the issue. I don't trade micros, but I hear you. Those accounts might be better for micros in general. So if that's the case, I just won't fucking trade them. But I'm going to keep trying. I've gotten payouts from Apex. I just got my first ever payouts on 25Ks with Apex. Same thing though. Actually, they have the same amount of drawdown. It's the same shit. And I had to grow the account to at least 2,600 because I wanted the max payout. So if I could take an Apex 25K to 2,600 with the same $1,500 of trailing, I can take a take profit trader to 2,600. So maybe I just need to trade it like a Apex account. Maybe I need to do that. We'll find out. Storm, what up? Corey, the phone trader, what's good? How much do I profit on take profit trade? What do you mean? On the day or just overall? I'm still paying off my tuition with Take Profit Trader, but I'm a lot closer with them than I am with Apex. You think we dump on the algo? I want to get more coffee too. Damn. Need more coffee, yo. I bet we pump on the algo. Manage groups. Another day one. Another day one payout. 73, 74. And then another group. New group. Humidity. Humidity and insolence. $75, $76. All right, so we got two groups here. This thing just keeps dropping. We are down. We passed through the VWAP, retested it, and from there, 736. We're down like 100. We're not even down a lot. It's 100 points. I mean, it's a lot, but look how long it took to do that. This shit's moving in slow motion. Tomorrow's going to be a better, more gooder day because tomorrow we got CPI. You got some stuff overnight, nothing crazy. Then there's nothing again, and then you got GDP for the UK. You got PPI and unemployment claims on Thursday. What's on Friday? Anything? Core retail sales, University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. So tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday should be more volatile, which is what we need. Mitch, tomorrow going to be the biggest, the largest. Do I have a trade news, Adrian? Yeah, whenever I'm around for it. Yeah, slow grinding is awful. Scalping trades, what up? Trader Bob. Yeah, dude, yeah. I think this is a different Captain Price. This is not the same Captain Price. I think this is a different Captain Price. Unless it's the same. I don't know. Yeah, this is not the same. There's another Captain Price who used to hang out here. U.S.-Russia trade deadline on Friday. Yeah, Mikey, it's tough, man. Cody. Yeah, Cody, if you use your rewards to get it, you'll have to pay the activation fee. Worthy gains. I think they count the last 8. I'm not 100% sure. That's a good question for Apex. I'm not really sure how they do that. Is this going to drop lower now? Wow, look at that go. Damn. Was there news? Whoa. Doomslayer, what up? At least it's a practice account. Blew your demo. Mr. Goblin hit their take profit. Good job. DGEM Futures Trading. Yeah. Damn, it's basically filling this pump. This pump from the other day is fucking filling that shit. We're in the golden shower pocket on that shit. Does it just want to go down to 600? F4, what up? It's by payout period. Yeah, I don't even really know. It's a trap. Robert Gallos, what up? Smoke, what's good? Investors. Tim Morgan. Alexander. You took 8 contracts on 2 accounts instead of 4. Oh, I see. I see. $585, $580 possibly too. I mean, this is an interesting spot with this wick right here. I'm hoping it goes to 600. Obviously, because my order's there. Gross. Need this 54-minute candle to pop that shit. What a dump. What a dump. Nice dumper, NQ. 529. Ill. Too old to trade. Isaac. Nice job. Akshay, what's good? Nice job passing those evals. Come on, 54-minute candle. Show it to me. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. 50. No, that's not what you. No, not that way. I would love the fact that I was up. How many points? 8 points, and then it's going to come all the way back and just kill my drawdown. Don't kill my high. Don't kill my high. Come on, push up to my take profit in the next 20 seconds. No? All right, I guess these accounts are blown. What's gold doing? Well, we'll wait. These are going to blow. These are going to blow. Fucking knew it. It couldn't just go up a little bit more. What was my take profit? 16. So it went up to 10. Fucking piece of shit, man. How hard can it be? I just want to get some new funded Apex accounts. How hard can it be? Now it's going to pop. Because I want to go short to like the below 80. Well, here's what we're going to do. Below me. No, I don't want that. Now it's going to pump. Where was my order? I got filled at 600. I got filled at 600. There we go. Watch this thing go all the way up. How fucking annoying is that? It's so fucking annoying. Oh, wow. Don't fill me. Cool. Miss Goody. My head. Mario, what up? Yeah, I just haven't been seeing NQ good for like a fucking week. Great. What is it going to run into the close now? That's exactly what's going to happen. Now it's going to run into the close. These accounts are going to blow. I'm finally going to get my long. 616. What was it on the other accounts? 600, 675 to 616. Great. Awesome. It's going to keep going up because I'm in long. Watch it go. I've been getting played so bad by the NQ. It's insane. Oh, that's gone. Fuck, man. Oh, was that 616? Oh, look. There it is. Fuck. God damn, bro. I literally got fucking bottom ticked in the other fucking accounts, and I just wanted it to go down to the fucking 786. I got taken out at fucking 96. Fucking piece of shit. You know what? You know what's even worse? I would probably still have these accounts if it didn't go up 10 fucking points first. You fucking cocksucker. Fuck me, bro. I fucking hate the NQ. This is all trading the NQ. This NQ, the blown funded bulenox account. Oh, and guess what this is all from? This is all trading gold. This is all trading gold, including my day one payouts. Gold, gold. Look at this shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Fucking cocksucker, man. Unfucking believable. Fucking piece of shit. Look at this shit pump now. I literally got fucking taken out. I was up 10 points. That's the reason why these accounts blew. Because I was already up 10 points. And it literally went down just enough. And then it fucking pumps and blows through my take profit. And then I go short, wanting it to go down a little bit more. And what does it do? As soon as I go fucking short, it pumps. The fuck? Fucking piece of shit. All NQ. All NQ. Totally get fucking played by NQ. We dropped from 804 215 points or whatever. Fuck, man. The fucking struggle with Apex still continues, man. It's insane. It's amazing. How I could go get a day one payout with Take Profit Trader, but I can't even fucking pass evals right now with Apex? What the fuck? We're going to go up now, or we're going to keep going down? We're going to go back down. Unfucking believable, man. Well, it went down enough points to fucking somehow gonna fuck me, right? Watch this. Good thing these are evals and not funded accounts. I rejected off of this right here. How much? No, it's just gonna keep going up because I'm in short. Only because I'm in short. If I didn't get in at all, it would have fucking dumped. I already know how this fucking shit is going. Nondescript. What's the latest you could trade with Apex, Ian? 4:59 p.m. Well, 4:58. They will take you out of your trade at 4:59. Jonathan Trentwell, what up? Every 50 and 100 is a level? It is until it's not, though, bro. I appreciate it, but you know how it is. What up, Renee? What up, Jay? Motion Capital, what's good? I can't even fucking pass an Apex eval right now. It's fucking crazy. And if I do, I'm blowing the accounts on the first day. It doesn't make any fucking sense. But here I am fucking getting day one payouts with fucking Take Profit Trader. Again, another one. Is this going to go back up? Of course. Of course it is. Yeah, I just can't I'm just not seeing it. And you know what happened? You know, look, it's not even up that much, but because, look at, I have no drawdown left because it fucking went down 5 points. I was up like 5, almost 6 points. So now if I go down 7 points, it's done. Fucking bullshit. Gino, what up? I just want to get some fucking funded Apex accounts again. Take multiple accounts to a fucking payout. I made 12 grand with Apex alone last month. Well, I got approved for amazing. Amazing. Fucking crazy. So it's amazing how wrong I've been. Actually, I was right. I was right about 2 of them. I was right about these 2. And then I went against my rightness. Now it wants to dump. What? Now it wants to dump. Is that the only one? Did I not get another one? Fuck me, man. Whatever. So fucking annoying. Apex is 80% off right now, by the way, with the best code ZERODAYJay.
Oh, excuse me. Don't show me. Don't show me.
Don't show you in your little shorts?
Yeah.
At least they're not the pink shorts. Then I definitely wouldn't show you. Imagine, look how bad I am today. Well, just in this last hour, trading the NQ. All the NQ. NQ, 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 NQ. NQ. Awful. Awful job. What was gold doing during all this? Dropping. How many ticks? 84 ticks? 90 ticks? Awful. ZERODAYJay blew more accounts. ZERODAYJay blew more evals. I told you, leave those emails. I don't know. I'm just not reading the NQ that good lately. Whatever reason. It is what it is. Maybe it changed how it moves. Too old to trade. Getting a new Walker. Take the L and log off already. Oh, man. Maximus. Same thing. Get out of your trade before 5 p.m. Eastern. Eric J. Maria. Oh, yeah, of course. I know that. I never fucking stop moving forward. It's just annoying because I'm going through it right now. It fucking sucks. It fucking blows. Armit, what's up? Eric J. What? 3? The fuck am I going to do with 3? Whatever. I'm just going to keep going short. How many contracts do I trade with gold on a funded account? On those take profit trader funded accounts, it was anywhere from 1 to 3. The ones I took to a day one payout. Anywhere from 1 to 3. And then on like these evals, it was max. 6 in this one, 3 in this one. 25 ticks gets you 1,500 in this. 25 ticks actually gets you 750 also with 3. And then these were 5. 18 ticks gets you 5. 18 ticks with 5 gets you 900. Am I a funded futures network? No, I'm not. If you wanted to use the best code, I wish I could help you with that, but I don't have an account with them. Yeah, it's not bad, LK. I would have loved to have gotten all 4 of them to a payout, but it is what it is. Elvis. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Elvis. Best code is I wish I could help you. How much am I up to this month in payouts? Well, this will put me I'm at like 72.16, I think. I don't even know. No, 72.14. Wait. 1518 times 0.8. 72.14 plus 680 now. I'll be at just under 7,900. New York City day trader. Okay, am I taking it all out? No, I'm gonna request to the buffer. If I wanted to take the rest of it out, I would basically forfeit the accounts, and I would only get half of. I would get half of whatever was under the buffer. So I'm taking 425 out of both of these. Anything over the buffer you can request, and I'm taking everything above the buffer, and then I'm gonna go do it again tomorrow. That's the goal. Just keep doing it. And then this one's on day 3. These are on day 1. Let's see if I can push these to the target tomorrow or later. And then the goal is to have 5 funded accounts over the buffer with Take Profit Trader at the same time. Especially now with the deal they're running. 40% off, no activation fee. they extended the 100% of your test fee refunded after your first payout. They extended that shit. It's a great fucking, it's the best deal out there. I'd say the second best deal, the market never lies, just like the ball never lies, right, Maria? The second best deal is trade day with 40% off and no activation fee. But they're not giving you 100% test refund. They're not giving you 100% of your initial test fee back if you get a payout. That was some new wrinkle Take Profit Trader added. Oh, they cut off trading at 10 after also? Tim Morgan, yeah. FX Cartel all blues. We're just talking about payouts, bro. We've been through this before. I don't hide my fucking costs. I don't act like all I do is get payouts and I don't spend money on accounts. We all fucking know I do. Last month I did over 14,000 in payouts. Was I profitable? Absolutely. I don't know the exact number, but it was probably at least twice. I probably did twice as much, more than twice as much. Do I think the Take Profit Trader model is sustainable? Yeah. As far as I'm concerned, they're the best firm out there. Yeah, I'm profitable. I'm probably profitable for the entire year. John Wilcox, what up? You know the deal. It happens. Yeah, Vince, they did extend it, bro. Vince, they extended that shit. Sports Don. What up, Andy? I mean, I did 18,700 in payouts in May. I probably spent like $6,000 on accounts. I did 70, just under 70. I did just over 7,500 in June. I did over 14,000 last month. Are you fucking serious? Was it going to go up just enough to fucking blow the account? Could it go down another 2 points? Come on. They know what they're doing, Armit. They've done this. They've done this promotion before. If you're concerned about them, then don't buy any accounts with them. I'm not worried about them. I would be worried about a lot of other firms, but not Take Profit Trader, especially new firms. Nice, Andy. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I do need more coffee. Yeah, I know FX Cartel. We're just talking about payouts, though. We know most people in here, 90% of the people in here know that there's a cost that comes with this. I've shown my Apex tuition before. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't hide it. I've literally made a video about how much money I spent on Apex, and I was fucking in the red. I'm still in the red with Apex since I started with prop firm trading. You know what I mean? It's not a secret. I don't withhold that information. My fund the futures is good, Jay Hundo. They just, unless you're trading the expert or pro account, you're limited with how much you could get paid. Very limited. You know, every X amount of days or whatever. Yeah, Sports Don, I'm with you. I just like to spread it out. I like the idea of being able to, the potential of being able to, let's say, take 20 Apex accounts to a payout. I like that. You can't do that with any other firm. Alex Rifkin, what up? Yeah, bro. Could be worse. I could have over 8,000 evals. At least I show my account numbers. Hold on. Let me be like the other streamers. Let me be like some other YouTube influencers, some other prop firm influencers. There we go. Now you don't know. Oh, hold on. Let me hide this too. There. I'm only on account 851, even though we don't know what account this is. There. Now I'm like so many other guys that have way more than me. 1,277 is fucking baby numbers. Coach Fred, ZM. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Yeah, Eddie, I do it for security purposes. Can we hit this fucking take profit, please? Can I get one? Jesus Christ. Yeah, Tim Morgan. Yup. By the time I'm up to eight, it's probably a lot more than 8,000 now. But by the time I get to 8,000, I'll be fucking the best trader on YouTube. Oh my God, did I fucking short myself? You piece of shit. How is that even possible? And it's 1,279, Alex Rifkin. Come on. Now we're good, you fuck. I don't think anyone's really losing their minds in here. I think they're fucking around. But people do actually like, oh my God, look at all these accounts. People that like to hang out in other douchey fucking discords. Pawn. I know, dude, I thought I did the math right. I think it's because of where I got filled. 39. Oh. Yeah, I missed it by, I fucking, it's because of my take profit. I wanted to go. Sometimes when you said it, I think I'm there, and then when I let go of it, it's not where I thought it was going to be. Yeah, we're just guessing our way in and guessing our way out. That's it. Yeah, Trevor LeConte. I need to guess better. Awful job. It's just Apex. It's weird, man. I just been in this weird rut with Apex. No problem here in Take Profit Trader. Day one payouts times 2. Had to replace the other 2 I blew, but who cares? I'm up halfway on 2 new ones. And this one's over the target. This one's over the fucking target. These trade day accounts are 300, let's just say $310 away from being officially like over the target. I got to see. Let me see how much I have to grow these by. I'm logging into it. On my other laptop. I'm logging into it on my burner laptop. Fuck. Dashboard. I have to grow them to 3,013. 3,013.40. So I need 310 bucks. 310 on these. Obviously, I'll be going for that as soon as the market reopens or at some point during Tuesday's trading session. And then after that, I'll flip the rest of the way or trade very small. Be very conservative with my trading for days 5, 6, and 7. So, but then when I come to Apex, I don't know why. It's just weird. Just not reading the NQ right. Crankberry, what up? Oh, it sucks. I need to guess more gooder. That's right. Yeah, from now on, I'm only going to show green. I'm not going to show you my hedging on other screens or any of that stuff. Mateo. Yeah, I get it, bro. Try trade day, dude. $59 for 50K intraday accounts with no activation fee. When you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY, you could $59.40, and the resets are $59 for those same accounts. No skills. Coach Fred, yeah, I'll take a day one payout. I'll take a day one payout. Give it to me. I think the fatal mistake I made, Mr. Goblin, was not trading gold. I should have just stayed on gold. Zayback. Nick Trades, what's good? Apex is 80% off right now. Never fade the Goblin. I don't even pay attention to the shit you're in half the time. I don't worry about your trades, man. I worry about my trades. You go for longer plays anyway, so I could get mine in between whatever trade you're in. Passed on Friday, you should be able. It doesn't activate on its own, John. You got to do it. You got to do it in the members area. You got to scroll down on like in the dashboard. You got to go in on the dashboard page in the accounts that are passed, and you scroll down on that page, and it shows you. You got to like go through their little their funded account onboarding process. You might already know that, but if it's your first time, you got to go through that little process. Adrian Lorenzo rolling in a benzo. Check my email. Oh, you're talking yeah, that too. No Skills is talking to John about the trade day. Nicolaus. Yeah, there's like a whole little, there's like a 3-step process on the dashboard page. You got to scroll down if it's your first time doing it. Robin. Been there plenty of times. Crank. I don't even think I did. Hold on. I'm going to check right now. I don't even think I did. When did I get that payout? No, I didn't get anything. I got nothing. The only way the only way you'll know is if they take out, whatever you requested from your balance on the account that you requested your payout. And then if the money hits your bank account. Matin, what up? You got denied? Why? Which rule did you break? Trade Day uses Trade Evade and Project SlipX. Isaac. ZM. That's fucking funny. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Smash that shit. When did you request? Crank, did you request on Friday? Scaling violation? So you went in too heavy. Sherry, what's up? Coach Singh. You should be sorry. Unbelievable. Trevor was here. He was hanging out today. Well, if you go in more than half of what you're allowed to, what the max is. So if you're in a 50K and you go in with more than 5, Even if it's an accident you accidentally add when you meant to like stop yourself out, they will hold it against you. They could always have TradeAway program it so it doesn't let you go in more, but why would they do that when they could deny you for fucking up? You know? Yo, what up, Olisa? Oh, Apex banned? Oh, Take Profit's the best, but they banned you. So you got you. If you get denied, who cares? You just get another 8 days in and you're good. Trevor was here. Trevor was hanging out, coach, saying you missed it. He was hanging out. What are we doing now? Going down more? Wow, look at this. Awesome. Awesome job. You think we're going down? I don't know. Mitch. Oh, thank you, Mitch. Appreciate it. What did I say? I don't even remember. It worked. Got him. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Just make sure, Mitch, make sure your Rise account email is the same as the email address you use for trade day. All right. Let me text them over a trade day. He bought an account. Rug pull. FC Mike. 7 days minimum. 30% consistency rule. Am I married? I am. I need more coffee. Mitch. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, with trade day, just remember, they pay with Rise. So make sure that the email address you use for your trade day is the same as you use for Rise. If you don't have a Rise account yet, make sure when you create a Rise account, you use the same email address that you use when you got your trade day account. If you already do have a Rise account, make sure you set your trade day account up with that whatever email address you use for Rise. What does that even mean? Hold on, I gotta. Oh, okay. I'll take that as a compliment. The only thing Maria created their account on August 11th. So take that all with a grain of salt. Renee from John Jay. Just fuck. Coach Fred, just hang out in the best community on these prop firm streets. Just hang out in the Discord. Lots of day one payouts happening in there. But you already know that. But for anybody else who's not in the Discord and wants to be a part of the best community on these prop firm streets, here's the link. It's free. For now. We're over 1,400 members. Sintra, what up? There's the link. I never heard of that before. cut of the jib, cut of his jib. You think we're going to reject off of this little level right here and go down lower? It's funny. I went in short. Which account was I just? Hold on. 77. Sell. Amazing. I got taken out because it bounced. It fucking bounced a little, and my take profit would have gotten hit. Look at this one. Wait, did this one? So I got in at 31. It popped to 38. I went up a few points. It popped to 38.75, and then it dropped and hit my take profit. Amazing. So this one would have been passed. That happened to 3 accounts for me. There we go. 3 accounts that happened with. 3 fucking accounts. I should have 4 past Apex evals right now. I should be 4 for 7 playing passive smash. Got fucked. T. Cooper. What are my thoughts on the Lucid deal? I don't know. I don't know too much about Lucid. Do they even offer Trade Evade? That's crazy. How Rise restricts Puerto Rico when it's like a U.S. territory. You know what else is interesting about these payment companies? I wanted to get a Wise account, the Wise with a W. You could use them with to take payouts from Top Step and Take Profit Trader. They're allowed in every state except for fucking Nevada. I live in fucking Vegas, and I can't get a Wise with a W. I can't get a Wise account because I live in fucking Nevada. What kind of bullshit is that? Abhishek, what up? Yeah, Adrian Lorenzo, that sucks, man. That's the other thing, guys. Do your due diligence on what countries are allowed if you're not like in the United States. Yeah, a lot of people love Wise, and I can't use them. I need to form a shell company in like Wyoming. Rick. Yeah, Rick. I decided to hide my account numbers today for the rest of the stream for security purposes, okay? It's to protect my account. It's to protect my security and my privacy. What up? No, why? I don't know. I think they're like a third-party payment processor for contractors and freelancers. Nayo, IRS entered the chat. Oh my God. You guys. Use guys. I need more coffee. You think this is going to go back down? Looks like ass. Whatever. Let's see. If it comes back up here, maybe I'll get filled while I'm getting coffee. I'll be right back. I'm going to get more coffee. If you have to bounce, smash the like button on your way out and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And thank you for hanging out. I'll be right back. I just got to grab more coffee. I didn't get filled yet. Can you fill me? Can you fill me? Is this going to go up? Uh-oh. Does it fill this wick instead of coming down this way? Uh-oh. Just like move. What's gold? I'm sure gold isn't moving either. Actually, gold is. It's kind of just chopping around. What would I need? 30 I would need 30 ticks. 31 ticks to pass with gold. Bacon. Zadia's got a 5K payout coming from funding ticks. Fuck yeah. Great job. Nicolaus, I wouldn't be surprised, man. We retested the all-time high and couldn't fucking pass it. I don't know. I think this is the previous all-time high before we made all the new highs. And then I mean, we could still go up more. I don't know. It really all depends on this week, all this stuff, all these red folder events. Tomorrow, CPI. You got that Russia stuff going on Friday. What's my strategy to keep a funded account in rotation with Take Profit Trader? Oh, well, my strategy is and what actually happens aren't always the same thing. But once I get over the buffer, I like to, so I'm going to request, so on these two right here, I'm going to request 425. I'm going to request right to the buffer as much as I can, right? Which is 425 on each of these. So then I'll have all of my drawdown. I'll be at the buffer. My goal is to just get back over the buffer, just stay over the buffer and just keep requesting. Some people don't request every day. Some people will build it up more and then request, but I don't like to risk it because I'd rather just take what's available when it's available. That's how I like to trade because I've just had so many instances where I was like, I'll just keep growing the account and then shit happens. So I'm just going to be conservative in my trades. I won't go heavy, right? I'm not going to full port or I don't know. I might just keep trading gold, but probably if I'm going to trade gold, one mini tops, 1 or 2 minis tops, depending on how things are going. NQ, 2 minis tops, probably 2 or 3 tops. But the most I've had a funded account for is either 4. I think I've gotten paid 4 days in a row. 4 days in a row I've done a couple of times, and I may have done 5 days once. I don't remember. You could take as whatever you want. Like are you saying you take profit? You could just have a target every day. Like I just want to make $500 a day. And that's what you could do. What up, Holy Earth? What's good? Going live with Take Profit Trader isn't a good idea. It depends. By the time you get to the point where you're live, you've probably taken out a lot of payouts. But when you go live with Take Profit Trader, the profit split goes from 80-20 to 90-10. So they take out half as much money. And you go from intraday trailing to end of day. So it depends. It depends on how good of a trader you are. I know people in the Discord, these guys, they don't even get pro accounts anymore. They're just locked with Pro Plus, but some guys just take out payouts all the time. Tim. Tim Moore, yeah, absolutely, bro. Robert Gauss, what up? Hell yeah, bro. Get the job done, man. Yeah, Maximus. I just guessed my way in and I guessed my way out. Did I get filled on this? I did get filled. Is it going to pop, though? I want it to drop to here. 1075. Wishful thinking. 18 minutes to go. Or is it going to go up this way? I'm worried that it's going to go up this way and fill this wick and come up to this 5-minute 21. Printer Brothers, what up? Yeah. I mean, whatever, bro. Yeah, I don't think you're 1099 anymore once you go live. You're like officially like trading on a brokerage account with that, and that, you know, with that, when that happens. Mel. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna happen. Just do it again. Just do it again. Not the falling asleep part. Just get it. Just get another funded account. You have to get a certain amount of profit. I think it's like 20 grand or some shit like that. Tony Gold. Man, one of these, my take profit ended up getting hit after I fucking, not too long after I got bottom ticked on 3 of these fucking accounts. How annoying. Oh, Take Profit Trader lets you have 5, Sintra. I didn't know you were just talking about in general. You could have 5 live accounts, which they call Pro Plus with Take Profit Trader. I think with Trade Day, you could also have the max you could have is 3. Yeah, 20K sports time. I'm not sure if that's 20K on a specific account or 20K total. I think it's on a specific account. What's up, Savvy? 4,100. 4,100 is the magic number. What up, Al? We did it, Joe. We're hiding our accounts in Apex. I'm embarrassed. I mean, it's for privacy purposes. Isaac, yeah. I know TopSet will make you they will only let you have 1 live account. So you basically, if you have 5 live account, 5 XFAs with them, 5 sim funded accounts with them, this is what I was fucking afraid of. That it's gonna fill this. Fuck me. If you have 5 XFAs and then one of them gets pushed to live, you lose all of the other ones, which is stupid, but it is what it is. Oh, that's cool, Isaac. That's cool. Yeah, My Fund the Futures is good, man. They're good. They're doing 15% off resets right now. I don't know if there's a limit, but when you put in the best code ZERODAYJay, you could get 15% off My Fund the Futures resets. And I think if you use my code, you get 5% off evals or some shit. A whopping 5%, guys. Let's see. Active promotion. 15% for up to 5 uses. 15% off resets 5 times for the week. This week only. Get 5% off with any affiliate code. I guess it's 5% for new users. I don't know, but I think it's 5% off any account. With the best code ZERODAYJay. Anyway, let's see what's going on with this shit. Yash. They might. I don't know, bro. I never got that far with them. I just kept taking that juicy Simfluencer money, you know? Until they put me in the focus trader program, and I said, I'm good with them. What account are you trading? Which kind of account, Isaac? Is it one of those new ones? What is it? What up, Pine Tree? Yeah, see? I was literally fucking saying that I was afraid. I'm afraid it's gonna. I wanted it to go down, but I was afraid it was gonna do this. Exactly what it's doing right now. You got one scale and one starter plus. Gotcha. A scale is basically a starter plus. You could have 5 funded. Yeah, Robert Giles. You could have 5 of those fuckers. What up, Chef Chris? And they don't have an activation fee. There's no activation fee with my fund of futures. But the one account I had today, I fucking blew. Thanks to the fucking NQ. Great job. I don't know. This looks like ass, man. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to go up more. It could. I've been wrong all fucking day. Chef Chris in the house. That's nice, Isaac. That's really nice. Yeah, it's one of Yash. I figured if other streamers could hide their accounts for security purposes and privacy purposes, I could hide mine. Oh my God. I think it's both, Jonathan. I'm pretty sure it's both. But you will never see me fucking asking support for permission to activate my one account I'm allowed to have. Fuck that. I'm good. I went on, after that happened in June, I went on to have my second best month ever. Nicolaus, on the new accounts is 80%. I don't know if the legacy accounts are still. I don't know if the legacy accounts do the same thing. It might just be 80%, 80-20 across the board. Pine Tree, you know what else I'm hiding? Let's just put it this way. I'm going to a Las Vegas Aces game tonight. So take a wild guess what I'm hiding. And where I'm hiding it. I need to get through security somehow, bro. Oh my God. P.S. I'm not actually going to a fucking Aces game. Did you see? Oh my God, there's a fucking funny ass. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta. Someone I saw this earlier this morning. Someone posted it. I think on Facebook. Look at this. Tell me that's not the funniest fucking meme. Anyway, back to this trade. That's right. I gotta hide. That's right. My bad. My bad, Yash. I don't even know if I can scroll down enough to hide them. Shit. See, if I would have not gotten fucked on those 3 accounts, I'd only be able to show all green. Hold on, let me just go to my Take Profit Trader. There we go. I'm all green. I'm green everywhere. Look, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, green. I'll zoom in. You think it'll work? Maybe, yeah. There we go. Hold on. There we go, guys. Hey, I'm all green. I'm green everywhere. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Uh-oh. Motherfucker. There we go. No skills. That's what she said. Eddie, what color is it so I can bet? Alex, you guys saw? Were you guys here when I showed that other meme, the other meme about this whole thing? I'll grab it again. I'll grab it again because it's so good. It's so good. Ah. Hold on, I'm looking for it. It's so worth it, guys. You might have seen it. But I got to find it again. All right. All right. I'm finding it. Some of you might have missed it, but it's worth it. Speaking of the WNBA. Never gets old. This is going to be me tonight. This is going to be me tonight. First time I saw this shit, I was literally laughing out loud. Oh, God. Yeah. This shit never gets old. Tell me that's not the funniest shit ever. Anyway. Bloated. PK. All right. All right. Sounds like a very profitable day. Great job. Fuck yeah, PK. You're killing it. See, PK is kind of like me, but I think he's on another level in terms of playing like the numbers game. He's playing the numbers game. That's right, Dilsey. Green across the board, bro. Robert Gallus. Also, thank you, bro. So there's nothing in the new rules that says there's an 80-20 split on the legacy accounts. So I guess it's still no you keep 100% of your profits on the legacy accounts up to your first $10,000 in payouts. I'll have to let you guys know if I could get another legacy account to a payout. Then I'll know for sure. I'm at the point where they take 10% out because I've gotten more than $10,000 in payouts with my funded futures. So I was already at the point where they were taking 10% out, which doesn't make any sense, but whatever. Isaac, exactly. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yep. Nice fallacy. Yes, sir. Yeah, Robert Goss, definitely let me know, bro. Definitely let me know. Let us all know. Oh shit, come on. Can we drop 15 points? Yo, again with this fucking amateur fucking. There we go. Drop it. Sintra, did you know that everything is a rich man's trick? Look that up. Look that documentary up. If you want to be really fucking mad. Oh, like I said before, if you guys want to join the best community on these prop firm streets, where the DCA gang hangs out, the DGen fam, the white trash DGen treehouse, here's the link to join the Discord. Martin, what up, man? Am I in the green with Apex overall yet? No. I thought I was going to make a push for it this month, but it's not looking good. Maybe by the end of next month. If I could just pass some fucking evals and hold on to these accounts to a payout. How much is my Discord sub? It's $0 to make them holla for now. It's free for now. Oh, shit, this thing's going to end? Oh, well. Nothing really happened. Maximus. You wouldn't recommend hopping on my Discord right now? It's ratchet. Whatever. Oh yeah, Martin, without a doubt, bro. I'm like literally, I'm another July away from being there. You know what I mean? In like a 3-week span, I got approved for $12,000 in payouts. So I just got to do that again one more time, and I'll be good. Maximus is ratchet. Yeah. Well, hey, but how about this, Maximus? Just keep doing what you're doing, bro. Yo, yeah, Vince, flash sale is extended. Take Profit Trader. They are the new habitual sale extenders. 40% off any size test account. No activation fee still. But that flash sale where they were giving 100% of your initial test fee back to you if you took that account to a payout, that was supposed to end yesterday. They extended it. So go for it. You could literally have as many as 5 funded Take Profit Trader accounts for free right now. Martin, well, how is Apex still denying payouts? Not really for me. You know what's crazy? After that stretch where I got denied 8 times in a row because I was still getting a feel for how the rules were, what just fucking happened? What account am I on? All right, I only lost a couple $100. The market's closed now, guys, by the way. I only got denied twice since then, and I got approved like 20-something times. But let me see if I can load it. Hold on. I gotta hide my screen. So I gotta log in. Hold up, though. I'll show you. My approval rate with Apex since that first batch of denials is off the charts. But now they're denying people their payouts because people are getting denied now because they're violating the rules. I mean, it sounds corny, but it's fucking true. Oh, I fucking ran out of time. All right. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 of my last 33 requests I got approved. 31 divided by 33. 94% of the time I got approved after figuring out how to navigate around the new rules and getting denied 8 times in a row. If you add that into it, you want to add that into it, that's fine. It's 31 for 41, 76% of the time, but 31 of the last 33 requests have been approved. Now, you want to go even further than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. My last 23 requests in a row I got approved on. Maybe it's just because I'm a streamer. I'm a simfluencer. Thank you, Isaac. I appreciate it, man. Yo, Coach Singh, maybe one day I'll start charging for Discord for new members, but not anytime soon. I'm trying to figure out like if I should once it gets over like 2,000 members or not. The only thing I ask is if people use my code. Hey, if you want to hang out in the best community, use my code, please. But you don't have to. That's the best part. You don't have to use my code to be hanging out in the best Discord, the best fucking community. But my code is the fucking best. iTrade. What up, Jay Stores? One Stop Trader. That's right, man. Just keep requesting. Just keep growing. Just keep trading. Yeah, I've done that before, Martin Suarez. I've definitely got approved. I've been approved for on accounts that I got denied for. Just get your, if you get denied on a new account, you get an account funded, and then you request and you get denied. Those accounts, I think you could trade, you could do 5 days of $50 or more and request again. I think it's still like that. Investors. Yeah, that doesn't hurt. It pays. Oh, Investors. It pays for some accounts, bro. It pays for some accounts. Simon, what's my strategy in commodity? Well, my strategy is I guess my way in and I guess my way out, and I like to trade NQ and gold. I'm just a lucky guesser. I'm more of a change of direction type of guy. That's my thing. Oh my God, we're only at 96 likes. Hey, smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Martin, yeah, why not, bro? Squeeze as much juice out of that lemon as you can, bro. Great job. I got some 90% off rebuilds coming soon too. iTrade, yeah, the 30% drawdown rule. It could be tricky. Just make sure your stop is in place before it hits it. You could always re-enter. I'm more of a reversal or bounce type of guy. Like Fibonacci type rejections and bounces, or orbs, the orb, the VWAP, stuff like that. That type of stuff. So can't wait for later tonight. I'm going to be requesting another payout or two from Take Profit Trader. Another day one payout. We did it, Joe. Now the goal, right? Now, can I just hold on to these? Am I hiding? Oh, I'm not hiding these account numbers. Only my Apex account numbers. I'm embarrassed. Just kidding. I'm only hiding them because I'm making fun of other people who hide their account numbers for privacy and security purposes. My goal now with these two, right, is to do it again because I'm going to request right to the buffer, and then Just got to win some trades, or really just win one good trade, and then just keep requesting, and it just adds up. That's the goal. Can I take these to pay? Can I get paid on these every day for the rest of the month? We'll see. And then this one's over. This one, I need 2 more days of flipping. These 2 are halfway there. I want to have 5 all over, all getting fucking paid every day. And then same thing with these trade day accounts, because they have the same rules basically. Day 1 payout, cool, but daily payouts if you're over the buffer. As long as you're over the buffer. This just needs $310 more. Really, it's like 307. No, 310. I need $310 more on all 3 of these, and these are over the target as well. And then we'll fucking flip and then see what we could do. Anyway, I gotta bounce. I gotta make my update videos. I'm gonna go. I haven't gotten any shockwave therapy on my finger in almost a month, and I want to go back and do more. Another round of that shit. So I got a shockwave therapy appointment at 3, and I got a phone call at 2:45. So I got to get all my shit done before both of those things happen. All right. So with that said, if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, smash the like button on your way out. I stream every day for Power Hour, tune through close, and then I'm always randomly popping on. I never know when, but I'm always on for Power Hour every day, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. I'm always hanging out in the Discord. So join the Discord if you're not in there. Thank you so much for hanging out, guys. There's a link to Discord again. Use the best code, ZERODAYJAY, if you got to grab some new accounts with Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, My Fund the Futures of bulenox. I appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.